Good evening. Welcome to CBSBallBall.com. Take a look at Maria's latest location, about 265 miles east-southeast of Cape Hatteras. There you see it right there. And it's heading off to the north currently in that general direction. And then later tomorrow, into tomorrow night, into Wednesday, it makes that turn as it weakens to a tropical storm and heads quickly between Thursday and Friday. It's really booking because up here in the colder waters, the westerly winds were really getting to kick it out. So it's going to get probably maybe 200 miles southeast of Cape Hatteras. They'll see some gusty winds and rain probably right along the coast. Mainly, we're looking at coastal issues from really from Cape Cod all the way down into Florida because of the storm and stirring up the ocean there. So higher than normal tides and rough surf and maybe some rip currents in many places, particularly in the Carolinas and Virginia and down into maybe even portions of Georgia and northern Florida and in Maryland as well. And all the models have it. There it goes, right out to sea. At least 20 of the 21 models have it. That one model, don't know why it does that, but this is where we expect it to go. That's pretty consistent. And there is a tropical storm warning for portions of the North Carolina coast, pretty much most of the eastern sections, extreme eastern sections, and these are very low-lying areas. There could be some gusty winds over 40 miles an hour, and they're expecting maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain. Nothing on tap for Maryland as far as any watches, although we'll probably have some coastal issues, as I mentioned, with higher than normal surf. Even here, they're expecting a storm surge of anywhere from 3 to 4 feet. Not huge, but still causing some problems on the beaches. We're at 77 degrees now. The barometer is steady. East winds at 7 will bring us a little bit cooler air tomorrow. Only 68 in Ocean City with the winds off the water, and still 80 degrees in Annapolis, 81 in Hagerstown's airport, and 75 over in D.C. High pressure over the region. It's going to stay with us for a little longer, and it's bringing a few clouds and very warm temps, record-breaking readings from Ohio west, Pittsburgh west, temperatures in the low 90s. We won't get that hot because we're starting to see some easterly winds. And during the day tomorrow, late in the afternoon, maybe some clouds can move into the region from the east, southeast. The rain, however, expected to probably stay just offshore, may get to Ocean City briefly with some showers. Then it clears out with a cold front coming through, a second cold front coming through Friday night and Saturday. Some clouds, but cooler air behind that. It'll finally feel like fall by the end of the week. Into the weekend, may see highs only in the upper 60s. Winds tomorrow in the bay with no advisory, 5 to 10 knots out of the northeast. The water temperature at Thomas Point Light back up to 77. So tonight, a warm and actually a summer kind of night tonight. Upper 60s in the city, probably the low 70s. 82 tomorrow, warm, not as warm as today, and still humid. Mixture of clouds and sun. The normal high is 74. Still warm on Wednesday, cooling down a little bit on Thursday, even more on Friday. Nighttime lows back in the 50s. Saturday, 71, down to a chillier 47 on Saturday night. Actually going below normal by Saturday night. Have an updated forecast and a look at the tropics later on tonight.